This tutorial, it's a detailed presentation on how to add sightings inside the library and how to edit them into the old field. So let's start with our library. We're going to use the travel library, and I want to add another sighting inside, let's say, a work hotel. We only have at the moment only one sighting. So I'm going to go to new, and I'm going to add a picture. This should be this one. Yeah, got some coordinates, and I'm gonna give it a name. Also, if you change your mind and you don't want to put it inside a work hotel, you can still change it to France home or to Australia Arnhem. And yeah, you don't have to do it all the time. It's just an easiest way to do it. So, but I still want to have it in a work hotel. Comment, it's hotel detail, and we can put some other stuff. Very hot, rain, everything you want to add. So we've got the date, altitude hasn't been recorded. So we're lucky because we've got the GPS recorded inside this picture with the device we've used. But maybe it could happen that you don't have a GPS in your camera, or that the GPS that was recorded wasn't accurate enough. So maybe you want to change this. So let's say we have a look in Google Earth where this picture was taken. Click and see in Google Earth, and it's taking us in. So the sighting is not in the library yet. It's just a view inside Google Earth, and it's telling us that this picture was taken there, which is not exactly right. So I'm just gonna do a right-click property, and I'm going to move it exactly where I knew it was taken, which is real at the border. So what I need is now to copy this coordinate, latitude and longitude, inside the toolbox. So I'm selecting this, and I'm going to do a copy, Control C. And it's very important to be sure that you are in degrees inside the setup in Google Earth. You want this setup. It will only accept this format. So back to there, and I'm pasting this in there, and I'm doing the same thing with the longitude. So now we have our accurate coordinates. I can add some documents if I want to, all the pictures, PDF, whatever attached to this sighting may be relevant. And I can also decide I want to keep the original size or keep the small size, depending if I want to keep it or not. So I want to keep the original size, and I'm going to go to Save. Here we go. We got now a new sighting called Kakadu, and it's got all the details in it. So if I double click on it, or if I click edit, so let's edit, same way is to do a double click on it. I've got all my information. Okay, and I can change this if I want, change some option, remove the picture, put another one, whatever you want to do, cancel. So let's have a look in Google Earth if it's really created at the right spot. So I don't need this anymore, and I can untick this. What I want to check if in my travel last box here, do we have, here it is, exactly where we told him to go. And we've got all the information that we put in it, the coordinate we adjusted, and we are good to go.